Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Ginger and lemon, a perfect combination for weight loss. Ginger is a well-known root around the world for all of its health properties, especially as an anti-inflammatory and for its gastric properties that assist the digestive system. This root is used as a slimming formula because its properties promote weight loss. Not only does it improve digestive functions, but it also has a thermogenic effect that helps activate the metabolism, making it a potent fat and calorie burner. On the other hand, lemon is another one of the big powerful medicines that promotes health in different ways. It too is considered a natural thinning agent. Its vitamin C content turns it into a very effective antioxidant that promotes waste elimination from the body, fights fluid retention, helps detoxify the body, and contributes to a reduction in abdominal swelling. How is it possible to lose weight with ginger and lemon? Keeping in mind that both ingredients have properties that promote fat and waste elimination from the body, these two together are considered to be a potent natural slimming formula that can help complement your weight loss diet. I'm sure you had never imagined that you could prepare both of these ingredients together, and with such a unique purpose, but now you will know a little more about the versatility of these two ingredients for various different recipes. You can lose weight naturally and get good results with these recipes. Lemon and ginger tea. One ways of combing these two ingredients in order to use their properties is to make a tea. The steps are simple, and you are going to love its delicious taste. What should you do? Heat 1 cup of water and remove it from heat once it is boiling. Once the water is ready, add a small slice of ginger and let it steep for 5 minutes, covered. Once the 5 minutes is up, add the juice from 1 lemon and drink. It's best to drink this tea before breakfast. Ginger and lemon lemonade. This delicious lemonade combines the classic recipe that we all know, with the powers of ginger. This makes it healthier and will allow for more weight loss. What should you do? Prepare the lemonade as you normally do, not using refined sugar for sweetening. Afterwards, add a teaspoon of grated ginger, and if you like you could also add a few well-diced cabbage leaves. This will strengthen the detoxifying effect. Drink once ready, preferably before breakfast. Ginger and lemon dressing. This is a wonderful alternative for enjoying the benefits of ginger and lemon together. You don't need to make a juice or a tea in order to enjoy them. What should you do? Peel a handful of ginger and then mix with the juice from 1 lemon. Add this dressing to your favorite salads and enjoy. Other benefits of ginger and lemon. As we mentioned in the beginning, ginger and lemon are full of a lot of properties that promote health in different ways, including weight loss. Keeping in mind the previous recipes, you could also reap more benefits when you consume them. Help purify the blood, having cleansing ingredients in the blood that promote elimination of unnecessary toxins and wastes. These two allies are perfect for naturally cleansing the blood, along with other things. It is good for circulation and fights bad LDL cholesterol. Strengthen the immune system. Both lemon as well as ginger have a large amount of components that strengthen the immune system. Thanks to this, they help ward off cold, respiratory problems, loss of voice, infections, as well as other conditions. They are good for skin health. Mixing ginger and lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They help keep skin healthy, young, and moisturized. They stimulate good digestion. This combination is perfect for fighting digestive problems like indigestion, slow intestinal movement, and fluid retention. That's why it's important to point out that if you suffer from gastritis, it's best not to consume these two products. Remember, if you want to lose weight by taking advantage of ginger and lemon as two very good friends, you also need to follow a healthy diet, free of junk food, soft drinks, flours, fats, sodium, and other things. You also need to do physical activity and drink at least 2 liters of water a day. If you follow this lifestyle, you will soon notice that you are no longer carrying around those extra pounds.